Stop saying I do, say I am doing. Want to talk about what's happening right now? I will show you how fast and easy. We use this form to talk about what is happening right now. Not before. Not later. But in this moment. For example, I am watching a video or they are playing football. Let me show you how. Present continuous is used when something is happening right now or around now. It's not finished yet. It's in progress. The structure is simple. Start with the subject, then use am, is, or are, and then add the verb with ing. Like, I am eating. She is reading. We are studying. Let's look at more examples of real actions happening now. He is talking on the phone. That's happening right now. In conversation, we often use contractions to sound more natural. I'm working, instead of I am working. She's sleeping, instead of she is sleeping. And we're watching TV, instead of we are watching TV. It's smoother and more common. To say something is not happening, just add not after am, is, or are. Like, I am not sleeping. He is not working. They are not listening. When you want to ask someone what's happening right now, you just change the order of the words. Instead of saying, you are learning English, flip it to, are you learning English? The word are comes first. Here's another. She is coming now becomes, is she coming now? So, to ask a question, always start with am, is, or are, then add the person, then the action. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments what's happening right now. I'll check your answers. Thanks for watching. Follow for more clear, simple English. See you next time.